Good morning students, I am your maths teacher. In today's class we are going to see about integers. In integers we are going to see about integers on division. Normally we will be doing divisions. Those normal divisions only we are going to apply in integer students, but what is the difference is we are going to calculate with the sign. We are going to calculate the integers with the sign. So I am going to give you 4 formulas here. You are going to use those formulas. Let me take a number. Let me take just I am going to give only the formulas. Just see here students. Plus divided by plus equal to plus. Similarly, minus divided by minus equal to plus. Same way, plus divided by minus means minus, minus divided by plus means minus. So this is the main thing we are going to apply in division based on integers. And now we are going to see the sum students. You are going to go through it carefully and you are going to do the calculation in your rough work. Now we are going to start with the sums. Students, now we are going to start with integers on division. We are going to see the concept of integers. Integers means I told you it is a combination of positive, negative and 0. Now we are going to see the operations, that is we are going to say about integers only on division. In division we are going to see how this integer is going to be worked out. So before starting with integers on division, we should know what is the formula I am going to apply here. See here students, plus divided by plus, both the signs are plus means you will be getting it as plus. Minus divided by minus means plus. Plus divided by minus, minus. Similarly, minus divided by plus means minus. I am talking only about the sign. In case of multiplication we are going to do in division. Keep this in your mind students. Now I am going to take this pair of quotients, that is 117 divided by 9 and 225 by minus 15. Now we are going to work out all these sums and we are going to see now. Now we will start with the calculation students. Now what we are going to do here is, first I am going to take this number 117. 117, just see here how I am going to do the calculation. Normal 117 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. 11 minus 9, what is the value you are going to get? 2. Bring this 7 down. 9 threes are 27. So what is the number I am getting in the quotient? This place is called as quotient. This place is called as quotient. That bottom one is called as remainder. The bottom one we call it as remainder students. So this is the answer I am getting. Final answer is correct, 13. Here what we are doing here, 117 they are writing it as 13 into 9. Not necessary, you can do like this division also, or you can split the number and write. You can try in any way. 13. Both are, if you are not going to have any sign means this is known as plus. Just for your understanding I am writing plus divided by plus means you will get it as plus 13. Same number, minus into plus means minus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, you can strike it out, again you will get the value as plus. That is by doing the calculation step by step. Coming to 225 by 15. Now I am going to leave out this sign, I am going to take only this number. Let me see, 225 by 15 we are going to divide here. If you divide and see, you can do it by normal division. If you divide you will get the value like this, that is 15 into 1 you will get the value as 22 minus 15 you will get the value as 7. Bring this 5 down. 15 into 5 75, that is 0. 225 divided by minus 15. So plus divided by minus means you will get the value as minus students, that is minus 15. You can do by this method or not necessary. If you want you can do this method or you can directly do by division method also. Coming to minus 552 divided by 24. Plus into minus, minus. That is why they are writing it in the middle. if they are writing it in the middle, or if you want, you can do it after the finding the answer. So now what I'm going to do is 552 divided by 24. 24 into 2, you will get the value as 48. Subtract, you will get the value as 7. Bring this number 2 down. So 24 into 3, you will get the value as 72. Answer 0. So this number 23, I am writing it here, students. So coming to 798 divided by 21. Minus into minus plus. That is why they are writing like this, minus. This both the signs I can cancel. After cancelling, 798 divided by 21. This 798 divided by 21, you can do it directly by 21 table. You will get the answer as 38. Not necessary for you to do this calculation. Even if you do this one, there is nothing wrong. 910 divided by 26. 26 into 3, you will get the value as 78. Calculate, you will get the value as 13. Bring this 0 down. 26 into 5, 130. You will get the value as 0, that is minus 35. Second sum. The same calculation we are going to do in the second sum, students. Second sum, what is the number given here? 234 divided by 13 and 374 divided by 17. They are given this number repeated 3 times. For what purposes? They want to identify using the sign. Minus into plus, plus into minus. In this way they are going to do the calculation, students. Next we are going to do the second sum. 234 divided by 13, students. Let me divide and show you. Not necessary. I am going to do it by direct division. 234 divided by 13. 13 into 2, what is the value? Just check and see. 3 2s are 6, 26. 26, what is the number here? 23. But I am getting it as 26. So I am going to go for 13 into 1. 13, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 104. Now if you can try till 9 table, I am going to take this one. 13 into 8. 8 3s are 24. If you calculate 8 1s are 8 plus 2, 10, 104. So what is the answer I am getting here? 104. You are getting the answer as 0. Now what is the answer I am getting here? 18. I am going to write that number here. Why I am getting minus is minus into plus, minus divided by plus, you will get the value as minus. This step is nothing but just for multiplication process they are doing, not necessary. You can do by this way. Directly you can divide and find it out. Similarly, plus divided by minus means minus. Minus into minus plus, directly you can write this step. And this rough work you are going to do it in your rough work side. You are going to do the division, students. So coming to this value, that is 347 divided by 17. Now I am going to do, I am going to take this one, 17 into 2. Just see, 7 2s are 14. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 34. 7 1s are 17 into 2, you are getting the value as 34. 7 minus 4, 3, 4. Again 17 into 2, 34. You are getting the answer as 0. So what is the answer I am getting here? 22. Since I am going to check the sign, plus into minus means you will get it as minus 22. Similarly, you are going to check the sign and you are going to put the value, students. Same calculation for sign purpose. In integers on division, we are just checking the sign and writing the sign. Because we are having the difference, plus 22 is different from minus 22. So there is a variation. For that purpose only they are given you in this model. Coming to this sum, 728 divided by 14. 728 divided by 14. We are going to try the calculation. I am going to do this one. 14 into 5, what is the value? 5 4s are 27. So 5 times 70 you are getting 28. Again 14 into 2, try 4 2s are 8, 28. 2 times 28. So you are getting the answer as remainder 0, quotient 52. you can directly from this itself you can tell plus minus into plus minus, so minus 52. Minus into plus minus, if you are going to write in the question, they will be writing in the middle. That's all. That is not going to be a big problem. Similarly, you are going to do the last sum, 272 divided by 17 students. Coming to the third sum, find the quotient in each of the following division. We are going to check for these three questions, students. Same calculation, same division process. You are going to try the sum. All the division rough work you are going to do it in your rough work, students. Those divisions you are going to do it in your rough work. You are going to write only the answers in the fair part. 299 divided by 23. You are not having any sign means it is going to be positive. 299 divided by 23. 23 into 1, you will get the value as 23. 9 minus 3, 6. You are going to bring this 9 down. 23 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. So 23 into 3, I am getting the value as 69. So directly you can divide like this in your rough work, students. If you are writing this one, you can directly write this answer. This work you are going to do it in your rough column, and this is going to be your fair work, students. Not necessary. This calculation is not necessary. Similarly, here the same sum, plus into minus, you will get the value as minus. Similarly, you are going to try all these sums, students. Coming to the fourth question. In the fourth question, if you see, you are getting 0. 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by any number equal to 0. But if you are going to have any number at the top and bottom, if you are going to have 0, denominator part 0 means it is known as not defined. You can't find the answer for this case. You can't find the answer, students. Now we are going to just see these sums now. Same way you are going to do the calculation each and every sum. You are going to try the rough work, students. I am not going to do. You are going to try the rough work. You are going to do it in your rough work column. 0 divided by 35, 0. 0 divided by 82. That is 0 divided by minus 82 means you will get it as minus 0. According to the formula, plus into minus, minus 0, which can be written as 0. Because for 0 you can't have any sign. Plus 0 minus 0 is also going to be 0. Similarly, here you can do the calculation in easy method. So what is the value given here? 5490 divided by 10. 0 0 get cancelled. You will get the answer as 549. Similarly, the last one, 762800 divided by 100. 2 zeros get cancelled means you will get the answer 7628. This is all the things we are going to recall, and then we are going to enter into the main chapter in your book, students. Now we are going to come for the fifth question. Fifth question is in the model of true or false. Mainly we are going to see the concept here. 0 divided by 32 equal to 0. True or false? That now only I told you. 0 divided by any number, definitely it is going to be 0. That is a speciality of 0. 0 in the numerator part. The top is known as numerator. NR means numerator. DR means denominator. You will get the value as 0. So this answer is correct. True. 0 divided by minus 9 is also 0. True. Minus 37 divided by 0 equal to 0 is false, because minus 37 divided by 0 is known as we will tell it as not defined. We can't find the answer for this type of calculation. 0 divided by 0 is also false. Why 0 divided by 0 false? 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0. If you see 0 divided by 0 equal to 0, that is the logic, but they are telling it as not defined. It is not defined. So the answer is false. You can't get a value like this. 0 divided by 0 equal to 0 is not true. That is the thing they are telling here, students. So in this class we have completed 5 sums, and you are going to take down these 5 sums in your classwork note properly. And those divisions, whatever I have done in the divisions, you are going to do it in your rough work. The remaining calculations, you are going to take it down in your classwork. You are going to understand and do the calculation, students. I have given you the assignment. Complete it. Thank you.